Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Today, I will online presentation about the Open Group Architecture Framework, or we call it TOGAF. So it contains three topics. The first one is about meaning of TOGAF. The second one is the TOGAF certification, and the last one is about TOGAF architecture. So without further ado, let's start with the first topic, the meaning of TOGAF. What is TOGAF? TOGAF is the Open Group Architecture Framework. It's an enterprise architecture methodology that offers a high-level framework for enterprise software development. TOGAF helps organize the development process through a systematic approach aimed at reducing errors, maintaining timelines, staying on budget, and aligning IT with business units to produce quality results. Why have to use TOGAF? In 2022, the Open Group announced the latest update to the framework and released the TOGAF Standard 10 editions to replace the previous TOGAF Standard 9.2 editions. This update to TOGAF promised to make it even easier for business to adopt TOGAF and implement the best practice into the organizations. The second topic is about the TOGAF certifications. The TOGAF certifications portfolio includes certifications and certifications credentials built upon the TOGAF standard version 9.2 and the TOGAF standard 10 editions. It includes a set of complementary learning paths centered around the TOGAF standard and the TOGAF library. The path includes different amounts of learning, ranging from short certification credentials, 3 hours study or more, to multi-day certifications. The TOGAF certification include in the portfolio are number one is TOGAF 9 Foundation, second one is TOGAF 9 Certified, the third one is TOGAF Enterprise Architecture Foundation, and the last one is about TOGAF Enterprise Architecture Practitioner. Okay, the last topic is about TOGAF architecture. There are several kinds of architecture within the work of information technology, so it is important to be clear about what kind of architecture TOGAF is aimed at exploring and what it is not. Basically, TOGAF is designed to support the last of this, the development of an information technology IT architecture. It also addresses the parts of the business data and applications architecture that impact on development of the IT architecture. The other types of architecture have close ties with a TOGAF developed it architecture. Number one is business architecture. Number two, application architecture, and the last one is data architecture. So that's all for today. Thank you for all attentions. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.